Hi everyone. Let's say you're up to this question here and you've got to look at your graph and your data. It's my graph, which doesn't have names on it, by the way. And I've got to look at my data and answer these 4 questions. Which students are particularly slow? Which students do better in one event than the other? Which student overall is the best? And 6 students who are the best performers across the 2 events. So what I suggest you do is I'm just going to minimize this and scroll up. You need to grab all of your data here. Okay, so I'm just copying that and I'm going to Excel. So just get onto an Excel document, pop them in there. Just going to make that a bit smaller so I can see. And then you're going to have to just make sure all of these numbers work. Now, to make these numbers work, I just have to sort of type them in again. 12.9, because at the moment they're across on this left-hand side because the computer's not actually recognizing them as numbers. So if I just type them in again, it seems to work. I'm not quite sure why that's the case. 105.6, 106.7, 107.1, 42.2, 0.4, and 53.4, and 46.7. Okay, so all of the numbers, that one there, are now aligned to the right of the cell. That box here is called a cell. So that means I can get these all treated as numbers. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to sort the list. And I'm going to just go back to the question. Am I just looking at... Okay, yeah, we're just looking at marathon and hurdles. So I'm going to take out this, just looking at these, and I'm going to tell the computer to add them up. So that's equals that one plus this one. Enter. Okay, just make that a bit bigger so you can see what I did there. So I went equals this one plus that cell and just push enter. So that's adding up my times, and I can click on this bottom corner here and just drag that same formula so it automatically adds all of these up. Okay, so that's the total times. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to rank that whole list. So if I click on the box here, not on the name, but on the grey box. See, if I just click on Aki's name, just that box goes, but if I click on the grey, the whole thing goes. So I'm going to click on that one, and then I'm going to drag it down. Whoops, not like that. I just went Control-Z to undo there. Just down here, all the way down. And I'm going to go to Data, Sort, and I want to sort by column D. I'm going to sort by column, oh, it doesn't have D up here, so what you've got to do is uncheck that box, and then come back to here, click by column D, OK, and that puts your best results down the bottom for both of those, and it puts your no, it puts my slowest results down the bottom and my best result at the top. So hopefully that will help you guys answer that. And I'm just wondering how to turn this off. There we go.